Hey guys, so sa video na to, we're going to solve one problem on electric field. Okay? So the problem is a tiny ball weighs 0.0055 kilograms and carries a charge of 3.25 times 10 to the negative 6 coulombs. What electric field, its magnitude and direction is needed for the ball to remain suspended in air? Okay, so we draw the problem, or to illustrate the problem, we have a tiny ball with a charge of 3.25 times 10 to the negative 6. So, a positive charge. Sabi sa problem, dapat daw it will float in air. Okay? It will be suspended in air. So, nag-float siya dapat. So, alam naman natin na ang weight, 0.0055 kg, yung mass niya, and its direction is downward. Right? Okay? So, yan. The weight is directed downward. Now, in order for the ball to remain suspended in air, dapat yung force niya is of equal magnitude with the weight but in opposite direction. Since downward yung weight, dapat yung force, yung electric force natin ay upward. Okay? So, yan yung ating electric force. Ngayon, malalaman na natin ang direction ng electric field because we know that when the charge is positive, the direction of the electric field is the same as the direction of the electric force. So therefore, the electric field is also directed the upward. Okay, paano natin masosolve yung electric field? Since the electric force is equal to the weight, okay, and we know that the weight is equal to the product of the mass and the G, acceleration due to gravity, right? And yan, equate lang natin. Okay? So ngayon, masosolve na natin yung electric force. So ang mass natin ay 0.0055. Tapos yung ating G is 9.8 meter per second squared. So yan. So ito yung ating electric force. Ikakalculate lang natin. That is 0.0055 times 9.8. Yan. And the result is 0.0539. Newton. So ngayon, meron na tayong electric force. We can now solve for the electric field. So the electric field, again, what's the formula to get the electric field? It is simply the quotient of the electric force and the charge. So we just divide. That is, yung ating force, that is 0.0539 Newton divided by the charge, 3.25 times 10 to the negative 6 coulombs. And therefore, ang ating charge, ang ating electric field is just 0.0539 divided by 3.25 times 10 raised to negative 6. Ayan. And the result is 1.66 times 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 raised to 4 newtons per coulomb. And what is the direction? The direction of the electric field is directed upward. Okay, so ganun lang isolve yung problem na ganito.